Are you here to find out how to get up to 10% cash back on your regular gift cards? Then stay tuned. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. Today's video is all about saving money. I'm going to show you how you can save up to 10% back on your regular spending. Now, it's very important, especially if you struggle to save money. This can give you some cash back into your pocket that you would normally be spending otherwise. Now, this can be anything from regular food shopping, it can be eating out, it can be takeaways. I'm going to go through the different gift cards and how much you'll get back in this video today. And then we can calculate how much we will be saving. So have a quick think. How much do you normally spend on your shopping, eating out and takeaways? And then imagine that saving. Say you spend £100, you'll be saving £10. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. Really appreciate it. So we're actually going to head over to the app where it all takes place. I'm going to explain to you what gift cards are available, how to purchase them, and go through an actual purchase. And here's the app. Now, I'm having some issues getting the actual whole screen recording into the video, I think because of the ratio size. So this is actually just the bottom part of the app. It's the crypto.com app. Don't worry if you know nothing about crypto. We're actually in this video only using it purely for the gift cards. So as you can see at the bottom of the app, there's a circle with the actual logo in. That's what we're going to hit, and it should bring us to the next screen, which is going to take us to a menu to show you all the different gift cards. So let's click that, and it will take you to here where you can actually see the different options here. We want to click the pay option. Here we can see another menu, a few different options. What we want to do is click the gift cards option, which will take us through and show us what we can get. And here is where we can buy all the different gift cards. As you can see, it says up to 10% cashback. Some cards are different than others, and we'll go through a few of the different ones today in the video. So from here, what we want to do is we want to hit the shop now button, and it will bring up the different ones. So here's the first few we can see. We can see Cafe Nero, Just Eat, Marks and Spencer's and Sainsbury's. There are a few scrolling down, but we can see these ones in the video just now. All you do, you can click on the different ones, and it will tell you exactly how much cash back you get. So let's say we want to hit on Just Eat. Say we're having a takeaway. Let's click it. And as you can see here, Just Eat, you can buy anything from £15 up to, I think £50 is for the Just Eat. We can see we can actually get up to 20% cash back. But that's if you invested in the crypto.com platform. Normal, if we just want to get the gift card, we can get the lower one, which is 10%, still a good purchase. So say we were going to takeaway, maybe a family takeaway somewhere, and we're going for say £30. So you click the drop down menu, £30, and then you would qualify for the 10% cashback, which is actually £3 saving on something you would normally buy anyway. So it sort of makes sense to spend it anyway, just doing it this way to get the 10% back. Now the other ones might have different percentages. So let's say Marks and Spencer's. So Marks and Spencer's, they do a 2.5% cashback. So we want the lower one because we just want to get the cashback. So 2.5% at M&S. Let's have a look at Sainsbury's. So Sainsbury's is a 5% cashback. Say you do normal food shopping, it's worth it, 5% back. If you're normally spending £100 a week on food shopping or something, that's £5 a week, that's £20 a month, and cashback just on what you normally would spend. You know, add that up over the year, it's like £240. Here are the other gift cards. As you can see, we've got Asda do 5% as well. And we've got lots of other ones as well. Just scrolling down here, you can see Costa. Got loads of other ones. Again, you might find different ones that are better for you. different rates of cashback as well. New Look there, so Pizza Express, loads of different ones, and you can scroll through and buy the ones you want. And to actually buy them, you have to transfer your pounds into the app. You have to actually buy their token. So yeah, if you transfer, say, £10 into their token, and then you use the token to buy the card. If you don't transfer it into the token, then you don't qualify for the cashback. It's literally a quick job. Transfer it into the token, buy your gift card, use it, save. If you are interested in saving some money and doing this is what to do. So you'll need to download the app. I'll leave a link in the description below. Click it. There's a little sign up procedure to go through. Once you've got the app, you can then link either your debit card, I think it's free transfers on that at the moment, or your bank account, transfer the money in, swap it to the token, purchase the gift card, and then you can use that gift card at the shop, wherever you like, and save that money. Various different cashbacks for the different cards, but it will save you some money on your regular spending. So good luck with your saving. When you do sign up, please enter my referral code. I will appreciate it. We don't get any kickback from just signing up, but if you do like the features that crypto.com offer, then if you do eventually upgrade and get a different card, then you will get, I think, a bonus of $50 in their token credited to you, and that's something for the future. So please enter the referral code. If you don't enter it, and you will not get that in the future if you do decide to. So just a quick thing there. Best of luck with your saving. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.